I'd say once a week, spray your bathroom down like you normally would your shower with a vinegar, half water solution, and just rinse it off. That's pretty much the maintenance you're gonna need to do on the bathroom. If you wanted to use a diluted Dawn dish soap and a water concentrate, you could do that. Or you could just buy 409 off the shelf, the purple one that's ammonia free, and spray it around. If you've ever been to a motel before and you've seen like the caulk lines all brittle and yellow and cracked and pulling away from the wall, it's because they're using ammonia to clean. Ammonia is a fantastic antimicrobial. Nothing wrong with it. The problem is it shrinks the caulk lines and it causes them to become brittle and even yellow and tarnish. It's not gonna do that in our system if you use it 1, 2, even 50 times. But when you do it every single day like a motel and they're wiping it down with heavy ammonias every day, it's actually tearing up and brittling the joints in the system. So we just wanna stay away from ammonia. That's pretty much the biggest thing. And after that, it's really a maintenance-free system. Like I said, that onyx is not gonna grow mold, it's not gonna grow bacteria, it's gonna hold up for the life of your home.